Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. First of all, let me just say I do apologise, you can probably hear snoring in the background. Princey is just behind me and I don't have the heart to move him and he is snoring away. But anyway, hopefully it shouldn't distract from the video too much. So basically, as you can tell from the title, I have the new Pixi collaborations with bloggers. I think there's 3 bloggers this year and they are always absolutely like gorgeous collections. I think when brands collaborate with bloggers, I mean, they're just going to be a hit because bloggers just know what people want probably more than the company. We have the Chloe Morello, which is this with the lip gloss, and is there something else or is this it? No, I think this is just from Chloe Morello. Then we have 2 items from Dulce Candy. So I thought this video could be kind of like a first impressions / review for you. I do have my base on and brows and contour and my lip liner, because I realised there's not actually a lip pencil in this collection. But we have eyeshadows, we have these gorgeous blushes, and we've got some highlights / eyeshadows, and then we have a lip collection. And this can also be used on the cheeks as well, so I might do both. Basically, I haven't had an idea as to what kind of makeup look I'm gonna do, but I mean, these colours are very me, so I thought just very like bronzy and like very spring fresh makeup. It is spring, it's currently Easter Monday, so why not? So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of like this little mini spring tutorial. My makeup feels very fresh and very dewy. I think moving over into more cream-based products like this palette, which you can use on your cheeks and on your lips, just makes everything a little bit more fresher and more, like I said, like really more dewy than perhaps a matte lip. And this gloss, oh my gosh, it's giving me major holiday vibes. I absolutely love it. Doesn't feel sticky or tacky on the lips. It actually also smells a bit like tangerine and marzipan. I don't know, I just feel like I'm in Santorini or Italy with all like the gelatos, and it just smells gorgeous. I will list down the products that I use below and the cost as well. And I absolutely love this Chloe Morello palette because this actually has 3 eyeshadow shades which are very shimmery, and then the last fourth one here is all matte shades, so you can use that on your brows, you can use it as a cut crease if you want a more matte look. You can use these 3 here, and 3 absolutely gorgeous blushes as well, which you could actually contour as well. And then it has a really handy mirror along here, so this is just great for traveling. I would actually say all of these are just really good for traveling because they're flat palettes and they're not going to take too much space, and it gives you options as well. I do actually want to point out that I missed one palette from the collection, and I can't believe I did that. I do apologise. And this is from Weili Hang. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And basically this is an eyeshadow palette and a dual-ended eyeliner as well. So perhaps I could do like a separate tutorial on this. Just let me know. I could do like a really nice just eye focus with like a feline flick. So leave your comments down below if you want me to do that. But overall, I'm really happy with the products. It feels super comfortable. This setting spray is not new. I've actually had it for a while. It's their Vitamin E Wake Up Mist. You can use this under your foundation as like a toner, or you can put it on top as kind of like a little setting spray, or just throughout the day as like a little refresh. It's just one of those essentials that I always have in my makeup kit. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep this really like short and sweet. If you're not already following me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, please do. I run giveaways just to give back to you guys, probably more so than I do on YouTube. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below. Also let me know which palette is your favourite, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.